for this hairstyle, I got 3 braiding hair packs. So hopefully they are enough. Got 2 packs of the curly hair for the boho pieces. Hello, we are back with a different hairstyle, and today I am trying to do Lemonade Fulani braids. And to make this process easier, I'm starting by parting my whole head. Listen, the back of my head isn't perfect because I can't see, but it will do. After parting everything, I'm getting my hair ready, separating everything to make everything go faster. Now, this is not really a tutorial on how to braid, but I tried my best to show you what I do. Basically, I start braiding my own hair maybe 2 times, and then I add the hair and I continue the process and add curly pieces as I see fit. Hi, so I accidentally took a longer break, and instead of finishing yesterday, we're the next day. So this is the progress we have. And yeah, like I said, I took a longer break, but we're back. I tried my best to give a close-up view of how I braid, and hopefully you're a visual learner and you can kind of see what I do. So when I feel like my hair is knotless enough, I start adding the pieces, and as you can see, I hope you saw, after braiding a little bit more, I just add the curly pieces and I separate them so it can hang out from my braid. Honestly, braiding your own hair and doing any protective styles is not for the weak because it's so time consuming, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So to secure the braid, I basically wrap a little piece of hair around the braid and basically just tie it so I can have a little knot. Also, as you can see, I tried not to overflow my braids with the curly pieces so it doesn't look messy. Listen, I'm trying my best, okay? Maybe next time I'll give more details on how to braid and how to feed in the hair. And I am done with the back of my head. Honestly, I feel like I did a pretty decent job with the parting and everything else, so we're about to tackle the front. After watching a couple of videos, I figured out what I want to do with the front of my hair, and honestly, cornrows on your head is not easy at all. As you can see, it was painful. It was like an arm workout, but you know, I got the hang of it and I had to do what I had to do. Now we are done with the hard part. I am boiling my hair before adding the curlers because I want to loosen up the hair, and it also helps with hair tangling. And right after I go with my curlers, I wanted to have a shorter hairstyle, so that's why my hair is this short. I just had to put the curlers in and boil it. I decided to let my hair dry overnight because I really wanted it to be more curly. And look at that, it did just that. I really like how curly, how tight the curls are. And just to make sure that everything stays in place, I just add a little mousse and tie my hair up, and voila. Can't get you out of my mind.